Hey, baby. Hey, you're awake. Is everything okay? Don't worry, baby, I'm right here. Don't worry. Hey, baby, everything's gonna be okay. Come on. Don't worry. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm gonna be right here, okay? Shh, it's just a bit of thunder. Nothing to worry about. It's gonna be okay. Can you move over a bit? Yeah. I wanna put my arm around you. Wouldn't you want my arm around you though, baby? Oh, look at you. Pretending not to be afraid. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's just a bit of thunder. Shh, it's okay. You keep acting as if it doesn't bother you, but I can see how much you're shivering. You can be vulnerable around me, baby girl. There's nothing to worry about. I'm your boyfriend after all, and, well, I care about you. So, just calm down and let me hug you. It's okay to be scared. It's okay. I know you don't want to seem like the weak kind of person, but being vulnerable isn't weak, okay? You can be vulnerable as you want around me. There's nothing to worry about. Do you like it when I embrace you like this in bed, baby girl? I really like how warm you feel. Yeah, you really, really feel so warm in my arms. So very comfy. Even if a thunderstorm is happening right now, I wouldn't really be bothered by it. When I have you in my arms, I don't know, I just feel like a king, really. And you're my good little queen. Unless you want to be called princess instead. You feeling better now, baby? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, Daddy's got you. Daddy's right here. And Daddy cares about you. Daddy loves you. And Daddy will do anything he can to protect you. So don't be scared of any thunderstorms or dogs barking, because everything's gonna be okay here. I promise. Okay, Queen? Daddy's gonna be right here for you. You have nothing to worry about. Okay? That's my good girl. That's right, baby. I really love you. And you are such a good girl for me. It's unbelievable sometimes. I really hit the jackpot when I hit you. you know. You're strong, you're brave, you're smart, and you're so gorgeous too. Oh my god, I'm so lucky to have you. You know, even if it's really dark, I can still see you blushing. Actually, I was bluffing. I can't really see you blush. But you just admitted that you were. Ah, looks like I outsmarted you, baby girl. Ow, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm not playing with your hair like this. Did I ever tell you how much I really like your hair? It's so soft and smooth in my arms. And it smells so good too. I wish you could stay here and fall asleep in my arms every day. Because I swear to God, when you're here, well, this bed just feels a lot more comfy. I'm sorry if I sound clingy, but, well, to be honest, it's like whenever you're not here, this bed just doesn't really feel complete anymore. And, well, sometimes late at night I just kind of wait for you to come back home so you could fall asleep in my arms, you know. Is that too clingy? Oh god, I hope I'm not being too clingy, baby. Well, unless you actually like me being clingy, then I can keep being this way if you want. Well, baby, of course I'm relaxed right now. I mean, I have you in my arms after all. No matter how hard this thunder can be, well, I just think about you in my arms and, well, it doesn't really bother me anymore. You feeling okay there? It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry about it. I'm still here for you, okay? Don't worry, baby. Just get all cozy here in Daddy's arms and sleep this bad thunderstorm away. What's that, baby girl? Oh, of course, of course. You can ask me anything. What do you want to ask me? Oh, baby girl. You really want Daddy to kiss you all over your face? Ah, my baby girl's so needy for me. Well, if you want me to do that, then why don't you say please, Daddy? Can you say that for me, baby girl? Can you say please, Daddy? Aw, you are so cute when you ask me like that. Come on closer. Let Daddy reward you with these lips of mine. Oh, good girl. Hold still, just hold still. Don't worry, I'm not done yet, okay? Just hold still. Oh, baby girl, you are so adorable. Oh, I really just love taking care of you. And you know, baby, you really deserve to be taken care of. I swear to God. I just want to keep you nice, happy, and safe here. For as long as possible. You feeling cozy now? That's good to hear, baby. It's really good to hear. So just stay snuggled here. Daddy's got you. Daddy's got you all safe and cozy here.